Good evening to all our Orange Room series viewers. This is again our Friday date night. This is hopefully will last for months, seeing us every Friday entertaining you, trying to divert your thoughts to what has been happening now at this moment. Especially right now, we are still experiencing the pandemic. We are still experiencing the crisis, and all of us are aware that one of the most affected, seriously affected, heavily affected, is the travel industry. I'm a travel agent for the last 30 years, so I know how it is being out of job also because I was out of job at some point in that 30 years of experience. But now it's a different game because right now it's not just simply out of job, but everyone is experiencing this. It's not only one messenger, one liaison officer, but most of the travel agency, probably 95 to 99% of travel agents are closed at the moment or are not having business at the moment. So it's not normal, it's not usual. So everyone is having a very difficult time. So the only way, as I've said in the past, the only way for us to be able to move forward is to help each other. So we are together, all the travel agents are together in order to help each other. That's why also we push for the PH Travel Marketplace so that we will be able to help our industry mates to be able to sell online. And because I know that they have also diversified, but we have to think, of course, of the messengers and the liaison officers that are displaced. So right now we are thinking of doing this project, the Back to School project, which we are launching at the moment, and I hope that we will get your support. We are focused on helping the displaced messengers and liaison officers because, as we know, they have very meager income in the past, and the salary that they have is enough only to sustain their daily needs. So they don't have extra in order to buy tablets or supplies or anything that's needed for online schooling. That's why we have this project to be able to help these displaced messengers and liaison officers. With this, we have interviewed some messengers, some liaison officers that are out of job, if not out of job, are doing some part-time. And of course, they will be the beneficiaries of our Back to School. Each one of them will get one tablet that will assist their daughter or their son in the online learning this August, this coming school year. Thank you for letting us interview you, and I hope that this will somehow touch the hearts of all the viewers right now. As I've said, we are not just existing for ourselves, but for the others as well. So let us think of this unfortunate messengers, unfortunate liaison officers, and that we will do our part in order to help them.
Magandang araw po. Ako po si Ronel Julito. Ako po ay isang messenger. Sa ngayon po, sarado pa po ang kumpanya na aking pinapasukan. Mahirap po sa akin na walang permanenteng trabaho, regular na trabaho. Simula po noong pandemic, ako po ay may isang anak na nag-aaral sa Padre Burgos Elementary School. Ako po ngayon ay sumaside lamang bilang food delivery rider. Sa ganong paraan po, kahit paano, natustusan ko naman po ang aming pangailangan sa araw-araw. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Hello, ako nga pala si Ronald Bago Sitwenga. Aking trabaho doon ay messenger, liaison. Sa ngayon po ay wala po akong work sa kanila gawa ng nagkaroon ng pandemic. Nagsarado po sila. Kaya sa ngayon po ay nag-extra muna ako sa mga company. Dito po ako ngayon sa accounting firm, nag-extra bilang messenger collector. Meron po akong dalawang anak na lalaki, isang grade 8 at grade 7. Pareho silang nag-aaral sa Antipolo sa online schooling. Natutugunan ko kanila yung pangangailangan nila dahil sa aking pag-extra. Medyo okay naman po kanila pag-aaral kasi kahit pa paano meron silang nagagamit na gadget. So ngayon po sana tapos na po ang pandemic, upang makabal na po sa aking kumpanya para patuloy-tuloy na po ang aking pagsustento sa aking mga anak. Salamat po.
Ako po si Rolando Alarcon Caña, messenger ng Travel Corporation. May 4 akong anak at 4 na po sa akin lahat nakatira. Lahat sila ay nag-aaral. Meron inisyo ng school nila isang tablet. Palit-palitan lang po sila 4. Mula po nung pandemic, wala na pong trabaho ang aking mga anak. Pa-extra na lang po sila. At ako po naman hanggang sa ngayon, pumapasok ako paminsan-minsan.
Ako po si Gilbert Macamay, messenger po ako. Ito po yung anak kong 3. Ito po yung panganay ko na nag-aaral po ngayon ng module online. Grade 6 na po siya. Ito po si Gabriel Macamay. Grade 1 po siya ngayon. Isa rin siyang module online. Si June Angelo nga pala Macamay, saka Gabriel Macamay. Mula po nung unang lockdown ay nawalan po kami ng pasok. Kaya medyo nawalan po ako ng financial, medyo nahihirapan po kami sa pang araw-araw. Tsaka ang pinagkakabalaan ko ngayon ay isa po akong nag-i-extra po ako sa construction worker. Saka, sana po ay mabigyan po kami ng kahit tablet lang, malaking tulong na rin po sa aking pamilya. Maraming salamat.
With this, we came up with the Bags to School project. This initiative aims to give assistance to students on their online learning, turning bags into funds.
There are 3 ways on how you can help.
First is the raffle, and actually I've been doing this since the start of the pandemic. So right now, I'm thinking of raffling this Chanel. So this is pre-loved bag. It's a Chanel, which was bought in Milan during one of my escorting stint. If you will check this in the market, this is amounting to about probably 100,000 plus or 150,000 pesos. Others are asking, why don't you just sell it to some stores that are buying pre-loved bags? The reason behind it is that I also want others to have the opportunity to be able to help. That's why this is being offered to the people to have the chance of winning this bag by getting a raffle number. And the raffle number is about 300 pesos. And that 300 pesos will go a long way because you will be able to help one child secure a tablet that will assist him or her in this coming school year. So this is the bag. This is Chanel bag, which I will be posting as well in my personal Facebook page, so that at least you can message me there if you're interested. So this is the first step. How to help is for you to get a raffle number worth 300 pesos, and you have the chance to win this bag, this Chanel bag.
Second, you may consign your pre-loved bags to us and we will sell them during our live auction event on August 8 on our Facebook page. 10% of the proceeds will go to this project.
Lastly, you can donate 350 pesos and get an exclusive tote bag from us. Part of the proceeds will go to this project.
We are aiming to provide 50 tablets to 50 students for us to help them to make their online learnings easier and conducive.
But sky's the limit. We want to help as many students as possible. If proceeds exceed to our initial target, we will be able to reach out for more students.
So now that you've heard already the 3 ways on how to help the displaced messengers and liaison officers, there's not just 1 but 3 ways to help. This raffle and this Bag to School project, we will be accepting donations from July 9 up to July 21. And the final date of the raffle will be on August 8, and also the donations or the auctions will also start on August 8. So for my friends that have bags that are not in use, wallets like Prada or etc. that are not in use, you can auction it now here so that 10% of the total sales will be given to our unfortunate brothers and sisters. And with that, you still can earn money from that unused item. So I'm calling on those owners of travel agencies that have very, very nice bags and that are not in use, or yung mga bags nyo na medyo hindi nyo na ginagamit, nakikiusap po kung sakali na pwede nyo po yan pa-auction sa amin at gawing pera yung inyong bag na hindi nagagamit. You can just message us in tradewingsonline.com, or you can send us message if you are in Viber group in Tours R Us or in Tapat 2020. You can message us and then we will reach out to you so we can arrange the mechanics of the auction. Okay, so with that, maraming pong salamat in advance. Thank you for your participation and thank you for being with us in this project.
For more details, follow us on our Facebook page at Tours R Us or see the links below.
Thank you so much in advance for your generosity and support.
This is the Bags to School Project.